Hey everyone, if you're new here, my name's Hollie. If not, welcome back. I'm a mum to two littles, a now 2 and 4-year-old. So we are right in the midst of everything, and I just wanted to share with you today some books we love, that we actually love to share to understand emotions and to learn, for my little ones, to learn how to regulate their emotions. I thought I would share with you to make it easier. If you have scrolled and looked everywhere and you're just not sure where to start, maybe this video is for you. So there is one book, I think it probably covers all areas. It's probably great to start off with, and if you're trying to be minimal and don't really want too many books, then there is one book which I will link the timestamp of when I talk about it, that I recommend 100%. I think it covers all areas, all bases, and I think it's very relatable for little ones and very easy to understand. But going back to this video, I have a few books just about emotions, because we all know that a lot of us now that were born in the 80s, 90s, were raised when emotions, things like that, it wasn't important to learn how to regulate them. We were quite often punished, and not really giving too much explanation on dealing and understanding our emotions. And I think now a lot of us mums to littles, whether you're born in 80s, 90s, in the thousands, are really starting to home in and understand that children do need to understand about emotions, and for them to have a better outlook and understanding about themselves and about their emotion, about others, and having empathy for people. So this is now why we are really tuning into having our littles understand emotions. So I'm going to start off with this set of books. So this set of book I bought when I was working in Australia like 10 years ago. Like, they were very forefront, and they're very, I would say, a little bit more ahead in early childhood than what I was learning in England. And what I do in Spain. They are very much ahead, and they do things differently, and there's lots of things I really enjoy. So this was one set of the books. This is called the When I'm Feeling collection. You can buy these all individually, or you can buy them as a set. I bought these as a set because they were just way cheaper. So it comes with 8 books, and it comes with when I'm feeling lonely, when I'm feeling scared, when I'm feeling happy, when I'm feeling sad, when I'm feeling kind, when I'm feeling jealous, when I'm feeling loved, and when I'm feeling angry. I love these books. I think they're really sweet books. So it's basically about this little bunny, and he features in every book, and all the pages relate to the words on the page. And I think that's a really good way to show littles, you can't really see it, I have to move, to show littles and to let them see, not only from the words, but see from the picture, like what it really means. So like when you feel angry, you feel like you're gonna explode like a volcano, and that is what this picture shows. You know, like that alone is enough for a little one to understand, and it's very red and fiery, which corresponds with angry. And then you've got this one, and I want to run around and never stop. And then all you can see is this little bunny. He's so cross, you can see it in his face. Just wants to run and run. Because you feel like that. You feel when you're angry, you just want to get out of the situation, and you just want to go, and you want to scream, shout, completely lose it. And so it gives them ways that it's okay to feel cross and angry, and it's okay to like have mixed emotions. But then at the end of the book, it shows you ways of how you can help to manage that. So it says, it's when you're feeling angry, I can try remember that if I breathe in and out, that will release the tension and the anger, and I can feel better again. And then there's like talking about why you're feeling angry. Why did you feel angry? Not necessarily in the moment that is happening, but afterwards you can really talk about it. And I think these books are great for showing that. I think they're really just sweet in general. And then at the back, it has like background notes. I don't know if you can see because I can't get very good lighting, but it tells you about self-esteem and why it's key, and feeling angry. Basically, it's just a little bit of an explanation for the carer or parent or whoever has the little one. So that's the When I'm Feeling collection. And as I said, I love these. I think these are dead sweet. Next, so I'm raising a bilingual family, so we speak Spanish and English. This book my littles got with the curriculum, so when they start nursery here, they tend to get a box that has the curriculum in. You have to buy that, and this was one of the books. This is called Una Tarde Emocionante, so basically an emotional afternoon. It goes through, I think it's angry, sad and happiness. It actually goes through quite a few emotions, but it's very understandable for a 1-year-old, and I think it's really, really good for a 1-year-old. It really explains it just in really basic terms, and the pictures are very like understandable, relatable. These are basically just twins, and it talks about the twins and how they have just an afternoon where their emotions are just all over the place, and it's from one, bang, bam, 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 bam to the next emotion. And it's just, I love this book. I think it's really good. The only problem is it's probably not going to be the easiest book to get hold. However, I did stumble across it when I was looking on Vinted for some other bits. It was on there. So yeah, with all the books I show you, you can probably find them on Vinted or eBay or anywhere secondhand marketplace really. There'll always be someone that's trying to sell something or selling something similar. So yeah, this is Una Tarde Emocionante, an emotional afternoon. You could even look into the brand, which is Veo, Edebé, I think it's called, but I will probably leave like the title in the comments, so then you can actually have a research if you're really interested in finding this book. So that's that book. Next set of books are from Lovevery. I love Lovevery. We bought it for my little one's 3rd birthday, and it's the Observer kit. So it's 37, 38, 39 months. And I love their kits. I really do like their kits. I think they're a little bit pricey, but I think you pay for what you get. If you are not worried about money, or you've just got a little bit extra and you're just not sure like what toys you want, and you want just an easy setup, and you're kind of thinking the Montessori philosophy and all that, I would definitely recommend Lovevery. We were lucky enough, we won a year's supply, so that was 4 sets, and we could choose which sets we had. But however, this was a set we had already bought. However, you can buy these books secondhand. They are readily available. Quite a lot of people sell them. They may sell them in kits, and quite a lot of people will sell the toys and books separately. So this is Quiet My Body, which is frustrated and calm, Two Big Feelings, which is angry and sad, and Happy Either Way, which is happy and worried. And you're basically going from about 3 years old with these books, but my 2-year-old currently enjoys, my just turned 2-year-old currently enjoys these too. I think he likes, because they're photos, and I really like their photos as well, because you can really see the expressions in the little ones' faces. So, oh, not in this one, you can't. So you see, she feels really loved, secure, safe in this video. Then she's like looking for mum or a carer, whoever this lady is to this little girl. I believe it's the mum. Yeah, it's the mum in this book, but you can play it however. She's looking for reassurance. And then it asks you, does she go down the slide? Does she not go down the slide? And then you choose, and then you turn to the page that you want to change to. So you can tell in her face, she's a bit like unsure whether she wants to go down. And I think that's really good. I think some children just relate more to photo pictures. Some children just like these books more, but I definitely like photo books. But there isn't a huge amount on the market, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is the Lovevery set that comes in the Observer. So that's the 3-year kit, just after 3-year kit, 37, 38, 39 months. And last but not least, the book that I said will cover all your bases if you're just looking for one toddler book, and because you just want one to start off with, this is your book. This covers all bases, basically covers all the like emotions that you want to start off with. And I would recommend this. You could probably get away with this from 2.5. It's very relatable in the sense of the colours help the little ones understand that they like signal an emotion. Some children, I feel like all children actually relate really quickly with this book. So it's basically about this little monster. He's all confused, and my little one likes to say he's coloured. And this little girl literally comes and helps this little monster just to gain control of these feelings. So she literally just gets some jars and they fill up all these jars. But first it goes through the emotions. So you've got yellow for happiness. Then you've got blue for sadness and red for anger. Like all the colours are colours that we know for emotions. And so it's really, see the little one, he's so cross. It's just really relatable, understandable. The picture just gives them so much. They don't really need to like understand exactly what the words are saying. The picture just tells them everything they need to know. And then basically at the end of the book, they have all his emotions in jars. And then right at the end of the book, she's a little bit confused. She's like, you look so different. And do you know why? Because he feels so loved, because this little girl has taken the time to help him manage and sort his emotions, which basically what we as parents need to do for our little ones is to help them manage their emotions, understand their emotions, understand that it is okay to be all these emotions. It is okay to feel that way. We want to build them into children that are going to be able to recognize their emotions, recognize other people's emotions, build empathy, and understand that everybody has emotions, everybody has good days, everybody has bad days. And we as parents need to teach that to our little ones, because that is so important for when they grow up to be a really good member of society. It doesn't change if you've taught them a different way, but I feel this is super, super important for just growth and for little ones to just really understand. So yeah, those are my books I recommend for emotions. So this is the one I would recommend if you're want to be minimal and only want one book. I would recommend the age range from 2 to 5, 2 to 4. It really depends. Emotions are always changing all the time, and they're always trying to understand an emotions right up till like teenagehood, really. But I would say this book is probably aimed up to 5. Then we've got the Lovevery, which I would say probably 2.5, 3 when they introduce them, 3 upwards, 3 to probably 4, 4.5, 5. This one I would recommend from 1. This is your probably 1, 2-year-old, maybe up to 3, 1 to 3. So this is your 0 to 3 age range. And then these ones, I would say these are your 2, 2.5 to 5 years old books. But as I always said, that's only a guideline. And if your little one enjoys reading a particular book and you feel it's not age appropriate, it doesn't matter. Just let them enjoy the book, let them understand literacy and enjoy reading. And yeah, that was my video about books about emotions for toddlers, for young children. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.